This video will show you how to call a video conference room using the directory. The directory can list a variety of contacts such as video conference rooms, virtual meeting rooms, and individual people. Click Contacts, type the first letters of the video conference room or person you are looking for, and press Enter. Matching selections will automatically appear. Select the contact you are looking for and press Call. Remote participants are notified of the incoming call and can accept. The call is now established and your meeting can start. You can easily edit and customize your directory. You can add a person or virtual meeting room you dial frequently. Click the Add Contact Manually button. In this example, let's add our team VMR. Last name VMR, first name team. Then click Add Device. Enter device name, then enter device type. Select Unknown for a VMR. Fill the H323 extension with the VMR extension and click Save and save again. You can now directly dial into the VMR from your directory. Enjoy your meeting.